Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I'm Mohammed Shah and Sohail, and I have come here to just make you learn a very pragmatic and very interesting lesson about slide calipers, and it is also called Vernier calipers. You know this mechanic tools, and you are noticing a question which is written on my whiteboard, and there are two questions with it, and now I've got to solve it. First of all, I have to read out the question because what kind of question and what kind of element are they wanting from us? A cylinder's diameter is measured by slide calipers where the main scale reading is found 2 centimeter. Vernier coincidence is 3. The 10 segments of Vernier scale were equal to the 9 segments of main scale. Number 1, determine Vernier constant. Number 2, determine the volume of the cylinder. Now, I'm going to discuss about the first one. If you want to solve this or arrange this question, and if you want to expose this question, then you need a very clear conception about slide calipers formula. You will have to use slide calipers has 3 formulas to measure formula to find out or determine the Vernier constant. You have 2 formulas, but I will use the easier one. Okay. A solution. We know there is a formula this equal to S by M. You can ask me what they denote. B.Sc means Vernier constant, S means the one segment's length of main scale, M means the number of Vernier scales segment. Okay, we have all those values, then we'll have to read the one segment's length of main scale reading is equal to 1 millimeter. Number 2, the segment number of Vernier scale and equal to. Now we are going to place all those values and magnitudes. 1 is equal to 1 millimeter and n equal to 10, and if we divide, then we'll get 0.1 millimeter. If you want to convert it into centimeter scale, then you will get 0.01 centimeter. This is the first one formula and first one's solution. Now I'm gonna for the second one. The second one's question is saying that determine the value of the cylinder. We know the volume of cylinder's formula is the volume of cylinder B equals to pi r squared. If we give L equal to 6 centimeter, then we'll get the right track. Now, well, we don't have the value of R, so we'll have to find out the value of R. We will write the basic formula of slide calipers. D equal to M plus B into VC. And then M is main scale reading, which is 2 centimeter. If we convert it into millimeter scale, then we'll get 20 millimeter plus the Vernier coincidence is 3, and VC Vernier coincidence constantly to 0.1. Then we'll get 20.3. This is the formula. This is the formula of slide calipers, and this is the value of diameter. If we square 20.3, then we will get 412.09 into 6. Then if we multiply all those, we are getting 77,677.373.7 millimeter cube. This is the answer of that question. I think that all of you have gotten the answer in a better manner and you have understood it in your own academics very properly. If you don't understand, please let me know which part of the video you didn't understand. I will try my best to make you understand in the next video class and try to understand each of the line and try to explain yourself to make sure that are you fit for learning this kinds of formulatic question. I think that this is a very normal if you know the formula. Just I have placed the values which I have found from the texts and the stimulus. After that, I have applied it in the formula. Thank you for staying with me.